Hello, good morning. I am Seema Garg, Associate Professor in Chemistry, SPC Government College, Ajmer. Today, lecture 10 is for MSc Semester 3 students, Mass Spectrometry, and it is in paper 11, Unit 2. In continuation of revision of mass spectrometry, today we will see the fragmentation patterns of some molecules. Alcohols. Fragment easily resulting in very small or missing parent ion peak, may lose hydroxyl radical or water, means molecular ion peak minus 17 or molecular ion peak minus 18. Commonly loss an alkyl group attached to the carbinol carbon forming an oxonium ion. Primary alcohol usually has prominent peak at MZ31 corresponding to CH2 double bond OH plus. This is a base peak in alcohols, primary alcohols. See the spectra. Molecular ion peak having the low intensity, whereas base peak, that is at 31, it is having more intensity compared to your this molecular ion peak. So this is a base peak and it is a characteristic of ethanol molecule. Similarly, we can see the fragmentation pattern of 1-propanol. It also gives this oxonium ion peak at 31 and it loss of water molecule and molecular ion peak having the low intensity. Fragmentation pattern of alkenes. Fragmentation typically forms resonance stabilized allylic carbocation and it gives base peak at 55 and molecular ion peak is having low intensity. Aromatics. Aromatics fragment at the benzylic carbon in this bromide, benzyl bromide. So it gives a tropylium ion. It is a characteristic peak of this molecule. Toluene also gives this thing and it is at about 91. So this is the base peak observed in aromatics. Aromatics may also have a base peak at 77 for the benzene ring. See, this is the nitrobenzene and this is a molecular ion peak and this is a base peak of benzene. So it is a characteristic peak and it is a commonly observed in aromatic compounds. Fragmentation patterns, amines, odd M plus, assuming an odd number of nitrogens are present. Alpha cleavage dominates forming an iminium ion. See. So here we can apply the nitrogen group also. See, this is the fragmentation pattern and spectra. Ethers. Ethers alpha cleavage forming oxonium ion. Loss of alkyl group forming oxonium ion. Loss of alkyl group forming and carbocations. See here, it is observed. Ethers. Diethyl ethers It also gives oxonium ion as a base peak at 31, and this molecular ion peaks are having low intensity. Aldehydes, loss of proton, it gives this oxonium ion, loss of aldehyde, in this cinnamaldehyde. This molecular ion peak having low intensity. This propylium ion 91. It is observed and it is a base peak of this molecule. So thank you very much. We will continue fragmentation pattern in next lecture also.